guys, I hope you're having a wonderful day. Today we're just going to be cooking some lamb and chicken kebabs. So it's not me who's going to be cooking, it's my dad who's a wonderful master chef. Come on Dad, join me.
Hello guys, hope you're having a great day. Alright, so what are we cooking today?
Lamb and chicken kebabs.
Alright, okay, we're gonna start. We got all the ingredients set up here. Everything is prepped. We got the chicken, we got the lamb, and let's start doing it. Okay?
Okay.
So we're gonna start with the lamb first. We got the lamb here, and then I prepped something. So the best marinade for lamb is chili paste. So I did some chilies and some coriander and a mint. I'm gonna add that. Okay, and then I've got some red onion paste, and red onion also helps the lamb to tenderize. Okay, I'm going to add some ginger garlic paste. Now, I don't need to use red chili powder. I've got some turmeric. And this is garam masala. The spices, my wife does a very good garam masala mix. She prepares freshly roasted ones. And there's a bit of cardamom powder. Alright. And this is a bit of salt. Guys, it's a braai, so don't worry, it's not going to be too much salt there. And I'm adding a bit of pepper. I'm going to add a bit of cayenne pepper, just going to bring up some color. I'm not adding any chilies, and that's the barbecue seasoning. And fresh, it's olive oil. And that's it. I'm going to mix them thoroughly. You excited, Swathi?
Yeah, I'm very excited.
Being very quiet.
I know, I'm just enjoying it.
Alright, the next video you're gonna make it.
Oh really?
Yes.
Okay.
Alright guys, so what you need to do in order for the pieces, the lamb pieces to get soaked into all the marinade, you need to leave it in the fridge for like 40-50 minutes. Once you lift it in the fridge, then all the ingredients will soak in, and then it should be ready to go onto the seeks. Alright, we're done with the lamb marinade, Swathi.
Yeah.
And now we're going to start with the chicken.
So we're gonna marinate the chicken now.
Yeah, and this chicken is going to be colorful because
Yeah.
I'm going to add red chilies, so it's going to look a bit red.
And also nice and spicy.
Yes, I'm going to do it nice and spicy. Alright? Cool. So, guys, this is chicken. There's no bones, it's boneless. So, I'm going to marinate a bit different. Swathi,
Yeah?
I'm going to use yogurt.
Yogurt, okay.
Okay? Let me start. Guys, you can also use yogurt from the shopping mall or any store or anything, but we just set our curd at home, so we call it as a curd. Adding a bit of
onion paste?
yes, red onion paste. It's going to help tenderize the chicken as well. And this one, I'm going to start with all the
Spices.
yes. So that's red chili. This is mild one, guys, so don't worry, it's not too much. And then I'm going to add some turmeric. Especially with the corona time, turmeric's really good. You need to take a pinch of turmeric every day in your food. And I'm adding a garam masala, freshly roasted. Alright, and then a bit of cinnamon. I've got some Italian herbs. I'm going to add them onto the chicken. Alright, and some barbecue seasoning. That's pepper. You like it so far, Swathi?
Yeah, it's looking good. And some salt.
Yes. Alright, you can go ahead and mix it.
Okay. I'm not used to mixing it.
You're making everything messy.
Yeah, I'm not used to mixing and marinating chicken.
Okay, no worries. I'll do that for you.
Yeah, it is looking more colorful.
Mm. And we're missing something here, Swathi.
Not quite sure.
The ginger garlic paste. Oh, not that one.
Oh,
This one.
it's gonna give it some extra flavor.
Yep. Ginger garlic, very good for health as well. We Indians always use ginger garlic, and we don't buy it. We make it at home, freshly prepared at home. Alright, that looks nice. So,
Yeah.
similar to the lamb, Swathi, we're going to marinate it for 40 minutes. So all the marinade gets soaked into the pieces. So when you fry it or when you barbecue it, you're going to have the taste. Okay, that's done. Okay, since chicken and lamb, they are waiting to marinate,
Yeah?
and we're going to leave it for a while. In the meantime, we're going to set the
up.
fire.
Yeah.
Okay, so the charcoal takes some time.
To like burn and
Yes,
everything.
and we need to have right consistency of heat across, and then we're going to put the chicken and lamb to the six, and then we're going to make it kebabs.
Okay.
Cool. I've got the blowtorch, I've got the charcoal set up, I've got fire lighters. I'm going to start letting it fire. Okay? Cool. going to start with the chicken. Okay, I've just washed my hands, so all good. I'm going to start skewing up. Oh, it looks yummy, isn't it?
Yeah.
Yeah.
Really. And it's gonna be nice and flavored and spicy.
Guys, make sure you stick it in a proper way so they don't fall off while you, especially the chicken. Chicken cooked very soon and it's very tender because we marinated for enough time. So that's how you do. And I'll get back to you when I'm done with all the stuff.
So we're
I'm done. I'm done with putting the lamb and the chicken. The kebabs, cheeks.
They look tasty.
Already.
Yeah.
Okay, let's put it on the charcoal, hey?
Okay.
Cool. We're gonna cook them for like chicken should be cooked in 15-20 minutes, but the lamb should be taking a bit long. The coals are very hot and they're very warm. Okay, we'll get back to you when we're done. Switcher. Now, what I need to do is, we need some dipping sauce.
Oh, okay.
So, I know we are already marinated, but if you want some extra tanginess and everything, I've got some garlic and some chilies,
Yeah.
and I'm going to use Worcester sauce
Okay.
and some lemon juice, a pinch of salt, and it's going to be amazing. I'm also going to freshly cut some parsley and some mint, and then we're going to do it. Okay?
Okay.
Let me start.
So we're just gonna chop up the garlic and chilies now.
Yes. Mint leaves.
So we're just gonna add some fresh mint and parsley.
Yes. Hold it, fold in. Okay, all together. I'm making this a mess. And I'm going to give you a tip. If you want to chop your parsley and garlic and chilies very fine, put a bit of salt. and then it's going to help you to chop them very fine. And you're anyway going to add them, and then it's going to make them a bit softer, and it will help you to stay at the same place. And okay, that's it. I'm going to put this in there. And that's Worcester sauce.
Some lemon juice.
Some lemon juice. Okay. A bit of olive oil. A bit
Salt.
of salt.
Now mix.
Smell it.
Oh, it smells very nice.
Yes.
Amazing. It's gonna taste even better with the chicken on.
Yes. Yeah, that's it. Okay. They are very soft, guys. And then when I'm trying to turn, they keep turning back to the same shape, same side. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to put the grill on, which I've got right here, and then I'm going to start doing the kebabs. I'm just going to put the grill on first, and then I'll come back to you guys, and I'll show you what I did. Thank you. Now, I've put the grill. It's going to support me to turn the pieces, and they should be good. They look very nice and yummy. Okay, I'll see you guys now. So guys, kebabs are done. Gonna take it off.
Wow.
Here you go. Swathi, do you like them?
Yeah, they smell so good now. I wonder how good it will be when I taste them.
Alright. So there you go, guys. Hope you liked the video. Thank you very much for your time. Please kindly share, subscribe, and like. Thank you.